my castle.
Your castle? Why do you need it?
Look, I'm a king. And what do kings have?
What?
What? Kings have entourage. And a castle. Isn't it obvious?
No, not obvious, but very convincing. Sam, listen, I have an idea. Let's build a castle together.
Then join me. You can bring the bricks.
No, Sam. I mean a different castle with towers and an arch-like entrance.
An arch. Let's do it.
Hi, guys. Let's start building our castle.
So this doesn't look like a castle.
Sam, did you forget? Every construction begins with a foundation, in our case with double-sided tape as well. We'll stick it to the spots meant for bricks. Now cut off the excess. Don't forget to be careful with sharp tools. I'll remove the protective layer carefully, and we continue. We need to cover all of the areas the same way. Try not to rush here to get the best results. This is kind of relaxing even. Guys, do you agree that our Sammy is a true king? Give a thumbs up if you do. Oh, this feels so nice. Whoosh! And the last one. Now our base is all sticky.
Sue, and what's this?
Oh, great timing. These are our bricks of 3 different colors.
These are weird bricks, but okay, go on.
Well, they're different from yours. Let's start the construction. We will alternate the color of our bricks, see? It will make our castle even more special. The foundation of our castle is ready. Now we'll start the second row. We need to stick the tape to all of the bricks.
It's the second row already and I can't see my arches! Or a castle.
If you helped me, Sammy, things would go faster.
It's no royal business.
I didn't expect any different answer, Your Majesty. In the next rows, the center of our bricks should be positioned against the end face of 2 bricks from the lower row. The second row is ready. And now, 1, 2, 3. The third one as well.
Oh, so you did speed up. Okay, how can I help you?
Make the arch, Sammy.
Whoa, what a privilege.
And while Sam is assembling the arch, I need to make 3 more rows of bricks.
Sue, I hope you're ready.
Phew, I barely made it. What a cool arch you assembled. The color combination is just magical. Thanks, Sammy.
So, the left side, the right side, all is correct.
The arch bricks are of a non-standard size and shape. I already assembled a part of the 9th row, and now I'm starting on the overlay of the inner patio. 3 more bricks.
Ah, now I get it. Sue, I did a sneak peek here and made the second side.
So cool, Sammy. Just a little more to go. And here goes the last step of our stairway. And we're moving on to the back patio. Done!
I can already see the shape of my future castle. Looks cozy enough. So, what's next?
Just a couple of decor additions and we'll keep building. Sammy, don't worry. Here we'll have a loophole.
A loophole? What's a loophole, Sue?
A loophole is a narrow window in defensive walls or a notch in a trench. It serves for firing at the target while staying covered.
Right, so what's a loophole?
Sammy, loopholes are these gaps between the bricks. On this side, I made the same thing. And the back wall will have battlements right here. Now it looks even more like a castle. And now I need to build another platform. Right here. Done! Check out this cozy area that we have now.
Sue, look what else we have here.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. This is for the platforms of the front towers and also the back towers, which we'll build now. I'll start with the left back tower. It's this one.
Whoa, this looks really deep. Sue, someone may fall down there.
Sammy, did you forget? It was you who brought me the floor for our towers.
So the fridge will go here, and the TV will go here, and Sue, when do I move in?
Don't rush, Sammy. We still need to build 2 more beautiful towers. And we'll top them with the floor. 1 and 2. There we go.
Sue, what about the main part?
Sure, Sammy. How could I forget about the decor? Let's add a shield with the coat of arms. 1 and 1 more. There can't be too many shields. Let's add some plants as well. The greenery will make the castle look even more like a real thing. More plants. They look very cute. Oh, don't forget about this side. There we go.
So, Sue, the final touch?
Oh, wait. The castle is completely finished.
Wow, Sue, this is cool! Sue, the castle's amazing! Thank you so much! Welcome, my royal entourage. Now it's our home! So, this one here. And this one there. A bit of security won't hurt. Guys, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. And I need to move in.
And give a thumbs up to this video. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, guys.